Hello and welcome to The Print. I'm accompanying the BJP's parliamentary candidate for Hyderabad, Madhavi Lata, on the campaign trail as she does a door-to-door campaign here in Old City. Madhavi Lata has found herself in hot water after a video went viral the other day of her purportedly shooting an arrow at a masjid in Old City on Ram Navami. Here's what she has to say about it.
Can you see masjid anywhere in this video?
So you're saying it's a doctored video?
Obviously, I'll just replay the video. Just carefully look at the video. Look at the video. Can you see me in the video? Do you see masjid anywhere in this video? Where did they ultimately landed? Onto some unknown old building as a posture. Finished. So this is how Asaduddin is every time misguiding the youth of this constituency.
An FIR has been filed against Madhavi Lata for hurting religious sentiments by this action. The Hyderabad Lok Sabha seat includes 7 legislative segments, all located in the older part of the city and home to a significant Muslim population. The seat has been an Owaisi stronghold for 4 decades. Asaduddin Owaisi has been MP for 20 years, before which his father, the late Sultan Salahuddin Owaisi, held it for another 20 years.
With the people here, I have no threat. Whether they are Hindu or Muslim, I don't have threat with the people. I have threat definitely with Asaduddin Owaisi ji. Because it's very evident, and 100 times, many times, like we have seen that whenever anybody, irrespective of Hindu or Muslim, they go to campaign in Old City, he doesn't spare them. His MIM people throw stones, they hit on them, whether they are reporters, whether they are journalists, whether they are current electrical meter people coming for bills from electricity department, whether they want to contest for MLAs, they don't leave anybody. They stone them. So you need protection from AMIM, right?
What has your experience been like campaigning in Old City for the last few days, going door to door? What is the reception?
Every Hindu here, every Pasmanda Muslim here are so excited but that they are going to get justice in their life after 40 years. Yeah, I would want to specifically say that Asaduddin Owaisi his way of working in politics is not safe for anybody. Today I have understood it personally because the Ram Dhanush, which we have just done in the sky where there was no masjid, unfortunately he could go to the extent of stooping down, showing it a masjid, which masjid did not even exist, and the angle that I was doing, enacting the Ramachandra ji. This is how he is always, and called it as a vulgar act. This is how he always provokes the youth of this constituency and of this country.
Owaisi constantly says that the BJP plays communal politics.
BJP plays?
Communal politics. Would you make the same allegation against him?
Yes, whatever he has been continuously talking, whether about Bhagya Lakshmi, calling her a Baddunuma Dag, whether he has been talking about Kaushalya, mother, whether he has been talking about Bhatkamma, whether he has been talking about Ramchandar ji hamare, he has been continuously, he has no respect even about the Pradhan Mantri. He never could speak with a respectful voice or tongue or tone. Whether it is him or his younger brother Akbaruddin, they talk about killing everybody in this country. Imagine what kind of personality they belong to. The act which was not done by me, that also they manipulated just for the personal politics. Did they not think for a minute that when they are provocating the youth by wrong information, when these youths, when they get onto the streets and try to trouble others and they get jailed for that, the mother wouldn't feel hurt? He sits in palace, provokes the Aam Janta. Aam Janta आपस में लड़ लेगी.
Hyderabad hasn't witnessed that kind of communal riots in the last 2 days.
Who tells? Who told this? किसी को दम नहीं है हैदराबाद के सच्चाई को बाहर लाने के लिए. किसी को दम नहीं है.
Voters in Hyderabad's Old City agree that Lata's sudden visibility is rare and exciting. Most don't know who she is, remember her name, or even know which political party she's from, but they definitely notice her. Most voters in Malakpet, where Madhvilata was conducting a Padayatra and door-to-door campaign, are yet to make up their minds about the BJP's new candidate.
Sir.
My name is Mir Mukram Sultan. I am resident of Malakpet constituency, which comes under Hyderabad parliamentary constituency. 2 दिन पहले मैं एक वीडियो देखा था माधवीलता का, क्या 1 दिन पहले सॉरी, वो रामनवमी के टाइम पे बेगम बाजार में ठहर कर मस्जिद को चौरस्ते की वो तीर बता रहे हैं। पूरे मुसलमानों के बीच में ये आया कि भाई शी इज़ लाइक कट्टर हिंदुत्ववादी एंड बीजेपी का तो मालूम है मुसलमान उनको पसंद नहीं करता। ओके ठीक है, तो मेरे को लगा कि मैं घर पे था और ये कैंपेनिंग के लिए कर रही थी, मेरे को था कि इससे सवाल पूछना कि ये देश में क्या चल रहा है, मुसलमानों के साथ क्या चल रहा है, इनके आने से मुसलमानों को कुछ फ़ायदा होगा। क्योंकि ऐसा एक औरा फैलाया जाता है कि बीजेपी इज़ लाइक अगेंस्ट मुस्लिम पार्टी, लाइक मुसलमानों के खिलाफ होती है हमेशा, और हम वो माजी में देख भी रहे हैं, मॉब लिंचिंग हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है। पीएम मोदी इसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं बोलते। जब मैं एक एमपी कैंडिडेट से बात कर रहा हूँ, अगर ये जीतती है तो पार्लियामेंट में बैठती है तो बराबर अपना अपना सवाल कर सकती है, पीएम के लेवल की हो सकती है। तो जब मैं इनसे सवाल कर रहा हूँ कि देश के मुसलमान को बीजेपी से डरना चाहिए, तो बिल्कुल नहीं डरना चाहिए, उसका सवाल है वो। एंड शी इज़ लाइक शी इज़ गुड ऑरिएटर, सही बेहतरीन है वो, और लाइक पब्लिक स्पीकर भी है। मैं इसको जो देख रहा हूँ वो है, बट क्या उसकी आइडियोलॉजी है बीजेपी के नरम दल से या गरम दल से, या ये मतलब सॉफ्ट नेचर की है, अभी तो हमें पता नहीं चला। देखते हैं किसको वोट करना है, तो हमारे हाथ में होता है, हम किसको वोट करेंगे वो हमें पता चले।
She seems most popular with women and children, interacting with as many as possible while campaigning.
ఓకే నమస్తే, నా పేరు నందకుమారి. నేను యాజ్ ద రియల్ ఎస్టేట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తాను. సో ఇప్పుడు లేడీ ఈమె మధుర, ఏం పేరు మేడం పేరు? మాధవీలత గురించి నేను యూట్యూబ్లో చూస్తాను మేడం. ఆమె బాగా వే ఆఫ్ టాకింగ్, లేడీస్కి సపోర్ట్ చేయడము, ఎందుకంటే గల్లీ గల్లీ తిరిగి కూడా చేసి ఆమె అందరికీ సపోర్ట్ చేసుకుంటా అందరికి బాగుంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఆమె వస్తే ఏంటంటే కొద్దిగా లేడీస్కి సపోర్ట్గా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో ఇప్పుడు వర్కింగ్ ఉమెన్స్ కూడా ఇంట్లో ఉంటారు కాబట్టి ఏదన్నా ఆమె దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే, ఒకవేళ ఆమె లీడర్ లాగా మాకు వచ్చింది అనుకోండి యాజ్ ద గెలిచి, అయితే ఎప్పుడన్నా మేము ఏమైనా చెప్పుకున్నా సరే మాకు కొద్దిగా హెల్పింగ్గా ఉంటారు అనేసి మాకు కొద్దిగా ఒక భరోసా అనమాట. సో హోమ్ మేకర్స్ లేడీస్ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఏదైనా బిజినెస్ పెట్టుకోవడానికి కూడా బాగుంటుంది అన్నట్టు మాదొక ధీమా అనమాట. సో ఇప్పుడు ఓవేసీ సార్ కూడా ఉన్నారు, ఎంఐఎం త్రూగా బలాల సార్, ఆయన కూడా మాకు మంచిగా చేశారు సార్ మేడం. ఆయన ఉన్నంత వరకు ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఆయన ఉన్నారు. సో లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మాకు పట్టాలు ఇప్పించారండి, ఏది హౌజెస్ ఇవి మామూలువి అనమాట. మాకు ఈ సొసైటీ సమ్ సొసైటీ అనమాట ఇది. సో ఇందులో మాకు ఇంట్లో పట్టాలు ఇప్పించారు, ఇంకా బండలు వేయించారు, ట్యాంకర్స్ వేయించారు, అన్నీ చేయించారనమాట మాకు. సో ఎంఐఎం త్రూగా కూడా, ఓవైసీ త్రూగా కూడా బలాల్ సార్ మాకు బాగా చేశారు సార్ మేడం.
This is Vandana Menon reporting from Hyderabad for The Print.